Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing with you the shocking things about your very first pageant. All right guys, I'm Allie with NGM Modeling, and today we are talking about those shocking things in your first pageant. There's so many things to learn, and the very first thing is there are going to be so many events that you are going to need to participate in. And this is why in your preparation, we always tell you to just overpack the number of outfits, and why you have to be so strategic in what you plan and what you bring as far as outfits and clothing is concerned, because you have a lot of engagements that you're going to be involved in before you even start the actual pageant. So just be prepared for that. You're going to have a lot of public appearances as a part of the pageant that you're participating in. The next thing is how much practice you're going to be putting in for choreography. There are not just opening numbers, but different numbers throughout the show as well that are separate from your participation as well. So just be ready to remember those things and to put everything that you've got into it. And always, as you are participating in not just those events before the actual pageant begins, but in also things like the learning process and learning things like choreography, you have to remember that those are all part of the pageant, even though it may not feel like it. So always keep that in mind, that you are basically always on stage from the second you check in for the pageant. The next thing is how many relationships you're going to make with the other contestants. You know, a lot of times you can go into a pageant and think, that it's just like, fighting and it's a dog-eat-dog world and nobody's going to help you with anything. You will be so surprised by how incredibly supportive the contestants are of each other, and just how many friendships you're going to make out of this. An absolutely incredible and unforgettable experience, and sometimes you can make friends for life from participating in pageants. And then the last thing is that there's really no explanation. It's just going to shock you the very first time that you hit that stage. It is so exciting and so exhilarating to get out there for the first time. You spend months and months practicing and walking and preparing what you're going to say, and then the day arrives where you walk out there and you're on the stage and you get to be in this incredible experience. So when you do, remember to just enjoy the moment. You've prepared for it and you're ready, and there's no need to be nervous. You can be excited, but these are basically the things that a lot of first-time pageant participants do not understand or grasp about participating in a pageant for the first time. Hopefully these will help you out so you won't be so shocked and caught off guard when you participate in your first pageant. Guys, leave me a note down below in the comment section of what pageant you're participating in next. Don't forget to give me a like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys soon.